I'm just gonna lay down here. Everything's... Now I am. But I'm gonna die. Yeah. Maybe I can loot them and get some. I got red veins across the screen now. I'm out of energy, water, everything. Wait, I have some croutons. I'm working on it. Yep. Alright, what? I see you. Some meds here. I can't make it. I'm starting to like limp and walk funny. Yeah. They shooting too. Yep, there I went. I died. That was so close. And somebody got the kill for that too. Darkcaster. It says Darkcaster got it. That was extract. Oh my gosh, I was so close. No, I killed one of them. You killed the other. It's still fun. Nah, yeah, I should have brought some rations. Yeah. Yeah. They just run around. He does.